Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, Taurus placements. This is your reading. Sabihin nating general. Okay, so kung anong ating makita, anong ating mabasa, gawin ninyong gabay, gawin ninyong prediction, gawin ninyong mensahe. Okay, for the month of August. And syempre, titingnan din natin the person on your mind. Okay? Pero syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung may tanong po pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun din po pagdating sa ating mga items. So, they're all available. Yung ating grantor lang po ang made to order. Okay? So, again, flex ko one by one. You can skip the video sa reading kung ayaw mo nang makinig dito. Anyway, so we do have our Evil Eye Ring Protection. This is adjustable, by the way. Okay? Meron siyang blue stone here and here. Okay? So, yung ating Evil Eye Protection necklace. So, yung necklace natin, may hawig siya, sa ating Evil Eye Protection ring. Kaya madalas, pinopurchase ito ng sabay. Anyway, so, ganito naman. Yan, ganyan. No? Ang ganda nito, this is so simple lang naman. Yung ating Evil Eye necklace protection. So, this is unisex. Meron siyang blue stone sa center niya. So, you can see kahit hindi masyadong makita. And meron mga stones dito. So, yun lang ang kanyang design. Napakasimple. No, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay? And 16 to 18 inches long po. Kasama na yung extender nung ating chain. Pero, pwede kayong gumamit ng ibang chain if you want to. And, syempre, yung ating dalawang sample ng bracelet. Yung isa is yung ating garterize. Ganyan po, no? Yung ating, yan, okay. Ganyan yung kanyang, ang tawag dito, pendant. Yung isa naman is ganito, ang kanyang mga evil eye. So, ito yung unang-una natin talaga, as in. Ito yung unang-una natin. Available siya sa red and, black, no? String. So, ito po yung merong initial. Okay? Excuse me. Yung atin namang 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Okay, this is a charm. Charm po ito, ha. Pwedeng gumamit ang lalaki. Ilagay nyo lang sa red pouch. Dala nito is wealth, prosperity, and abundance. Bakit? Meron po siyang citrine stone. Citrine stone is nag-a-act as money magnet. Okay? Nagpapadami ng sales, nagpapataas ng sales. Okay? So, humahatak talaga ng maganda pagdating sa pera. Okay? So, kung ano man yung mga pinagkakitaan nyo. Okay? And syempre, hindi lang sa money, kundi sa love din. No? Ganun rin naman, may mga connection. So, magandang connection ang ibibigay sa'yo nitong ating 2-in-1, love and money. Okay, samahan pa ng Evil Eye Protection hanggat maaari. And syempre, yung ating grantor necklace. Again, taga-grant po, ha, ng inyong mga minamanifest. Talagang ang pangit ng ating camera, hindi masyadong makita. So, ganyan po. No? And ganito yung sa back. Okay, this is non-tarnish. Yeah, hypoallergenic. Okay, so si grantor, taga-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest, and syempre, tagapagbigay ng weekly surprises, at least 2 per week. Okay, so yan po, ha, made to order si grantor and unisex. Yes, and yung ating cord cut. So si cord cut, pinakita niya yung mga stone, no? Umikot, So, may mga stone nga siya, nandyan sa likod. Raw stone, no? Anyway, so may kanya-kanya silang job description. Hindi ko na isa-isahin, pero panglahatan po ito. Okay? Pangtaboy MALAS. Pangtaboy alat. Mga nagbibigay ng alat. Yung parang tingin nyo napakabigat na. Okay? So, ito yung magpapagaan. Okay? Ganon yung job description nitong ni Cordcat. Okay? Tutulungan nyo rin syempre yung sarili ninyo. No? Oo, hindi yung kunyari nakakaramdam na kayo ng okay. Pero yung utak nyo, andun pa rin sa mga sabihin natin baka mamaya ganito, baka mamaya ganyan. Enough with that. No? Oo. So, okay. And yung ating, ang tawag doon, cleansing kit. Yung ating cleansing kit, meron siyang white sage and selenite na kasama. So, nag-a-act sila as charger. Okay, charger and pang-cleanse. Ng mga negativities, pang-alis negativities. Pwede sa bahay, pwede yan sa ating mga charms and crystals. Lalo po yung selenite. Okay, siya talaga yung pang-cleanse ng ating mga charms and crystals. Pang-recharge, lalo na pag nahawakan, pag nabati, ng kung sinong, mga ganyan, hindi natin alam kung anong dala nilang energy. Mas maganda, no? Na tayo ay handa. So again, start na tayo ng reading. Okay, the reading starts at 6:15. So, what's for you, Taurus placements? What is for you ngayong August? What is for our Taurus placements? Okay. King of Wands. Okay, parang meron ditong mag-start na hobby, bagong hobby. Okay, meron parang mapupusuan, magugustuhan. Andoon yung word na parang ma-attract kayo kung ano man yon. Na magdadala ng prosperity. Sabihin natin good energy. Okay, so kung ano man po, ngayong August, kung ano man yung parang inyong mapupusuan gawin, makakahiligan, mga ganyan, at alam ninyong okay naman at tama naman, may dalang maganda na energy sa'yo. We have here the Wheel of Fortune. Okay? Huwag niyo iba-black. Huwag niyo iba-black. Okay. Let's see what else. What else? Death in reversed. The Hangman. Okay. So, breaking the routines. Have to break the routines. So, death in reversed and the Hangman. Sinasabi dito yung mga nakasanayan kasi. Okay, mga nakasanayan ninyo. So, hindi naman sinasabing totally aalisan. Pwedeng malilesen. Okay? So, death in reverse and the Hangman. Nakukuha ko dito yung energy na sabihin nating low. Low. Lalo na if you're dealing with a Scorpio or a Pisces. I'm sensing a low energy from this. Okay, so kailangan dito merong mabasag. Parang ganyan. Kasi para itong nag-i-stay sa isang sitwasyong paulit-ulit. Like you're in a loop. Okay? In a loop. See, you have to release. Release the 8 of Swords in the reversed. Some of you, meron itong kasamang paghihintay kasi. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung ano. I don't know if this is talking about money. Some of you, your money flow, hindi okay. Some of you, medyo bumababa or bumabagal. So, kailangan yung i-release. I don't know if this is, to be specific, some of you, kailangan yung magkaroon ng new strategies, mga ganyan. Kung ayaw nyo parang may stock yung pamemera nyo sa ganyan, or bumaba yung pamemera, mga ganong bagay. So, ito nga, unang-unang reading para sa'yo, andun yung energy na parang, okay, mayroong bagong sisimulan or bagong kahihiligan na pwedeng magdadala ng magandang energy. Okay? So, I don't know if this is talking about sabihin nating bagong pag-aaralan na pwedeng mag-provide sa'yo ng income rin. No? So, there. What else for Taurus? Temperance. Patience. I'm hearing patience. What's with that? Temperance. Yeah. The Two of Cups. Some of you, there's this sabihin nating strong connection coming in. A strong connection. Darating lang to kung sa tingin mo, ikaw itong hindi naghihintay. Kung ikaw itong hintay ng hintay, then this is not for you. Sasabihin ko na yun agad. Okay? Kung yung utak mo is puro lang sa mga sabihin nating sa ibang bagay at hindi sa love, naghihintay, then may chance. Okay, na this August, pwedeng meron kang makuhang strong connection. A strong one. Yeah, hindi mo to hinihingi. Pero ibibigay sa'yo. So, sorry sa mga naghihintay para sa love. Okay? Hindi po darating. May blockage. Ano po ang blockage? Kayo mismo. Yung energy nyo mismo is nagiging needy. Okay? Ganon. See? A love offer. Pero hindi. Hindi darating. There's blockages. Some of you, yung mga naghihintay, ang nakukuha ko, i-reject mo pa to. I-reject mo pa to because yes, parang wala ka munang pakialam sa love. And I think some of you, ang tingin mo sa love is a distraction pagdating sa pamemera mo. Okay? Oo, hindi niyo ba napapansin? Bakit gano'n? Kung sino pa yung hindi kailangan ng partner or jowa, sila pa yung dating ng dating or sila pa yung nabibigyan. Bakit gano'n? Well, gano'n talaga. Mataas ang kanilang frequency and energy. Kasi kapag yung energy mo, lalo na pagdating nga sa love, kapag needy ka, you're aching for love, you're like, sabihin nating parang kawawang-kawawa yung energy mo. Magkakaroon pa ba ako ng connect? Ng jowa? Ikakasal pa kaya ako? Whatsoever, then your energy is low. Low. Madalas, kung makakakuha ka ng kakonek nasa lower frequency rin, madalas lolokohin ka. Tandaan niyo yung sinabi ko. Okay? Kung paano nyo minanifest yung tao, ganun rin kayo pagdating sa mismong sitwasyon. Okay? So, let's see. Taurus. The person on your mind ngayong August. So, let's see. Who is this? The person on your mind. Who is this? Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman? The Knight of Cups. Yung taong napaka-hot and cold. Hindi sila consistent. Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Okay. They're getting a lot of attention from other people. Okay. Yeah. That is why hindi sila consistent sa'yo. So, ano ba emosyon ito for you? Okay, so distancing, avoiding, o sabihin natin hindi gaano kalalim yung interest or emosyon na ibinibigay sa'yo. Okay? So, some of them, kung ikaw itong karelasyon mo na itong taong to at napapansin mong nagiging moody siya, nakakuha siya or nakakapagbigay siya ng attention from other energies, and I'm seeing some of them, lumalayo yung emosyon sa'yo. Okay? Yeah, the Five of Cups. Parang meron ng nasasayang or parang meron ng tawag dyan. I don't know. Some of you, meron ditong regrets din kasi. Yeah. Okay. Meron akong nakita rito na na-start ka ng ma-fall sa tao tapos ngayon pa siya nagkaroon ng ganyan like moody. Yeah. Anyway, so let's see what is your next action. Okay, the 7 of Wands in reversed. So, ang nakuha ko rito, hindi ka naman totally like aalisan, pero wala na ganoon na effort. Hindi na ganoon ka daming effort, mababawasan na, pero still they're open. So, anong potential outcome or advice for our Taurus? The High Priestess. Follow your intuition. Follow your intuition. Yeah. The 3 of Swords. Kung sa tingin mo, hindi ka na nagiging okay or nagiging masaya or meron ka nang sabihin nating may mga kumukot-kot na no, sa iyong isip na ganito, ganyan, then there's something wrong. Okay, meron kailangang i-address dito. You have to speak up. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan mag-isip lang ng mag-isip kung ano bang dahilan bakit ganito ang nangyayari. Kailangan mong magtanong. Okay? Pero again, kung magtatanong man tayo, hindi natin kailangan ng sabihin nating sagot nga lang din, no? Oo, mula doon sa tao, tingnan din natin kung magtutugma sa kanilang aksyon. Okay? Madaling magsalita kasi. So, yun. Utak po ang pinapagana nito, hindi emosyon. Okay? Utak. So, tingnan natin. Madali lang yung reading na yun sa person on your mind. So, tingnan po natin ang ating all signs. All signs, Aries through Pisces. Aries through Pisces. Aries, unstable. So again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, Taurus, there's no growth. Okay, hindi ko naririnig yung potential dito with a Taurus. Gemini, they need you. I'm hearing codependent. So, Cancer, feeling a miss opportunity with you. Leo, they miss you. Virgo, they're self-centered. They're jealous, some of them. Libra, they're a juggler. Scorpio, they're being impatient. Yeah. Sagittarius, there's blockages in general. Capricorn, there's silent, cold, detached. Aquarius, they're open. Decisions has to be made with this Aqua. Pisces, they want your attention. They want to get your attention. Some of them, they're overthinking a lot. Okay, they're making fake scenarios. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Taurus placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Pakihanap na lang po. Again, thank you. Goodbye.